So, hey everybody, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and safe. So, this is our second session for the variables, and today we are going to learn about how to output the variables, मतलब उसको print कैसे करना है, and we are going to study what are the global variables. So now, Python output variables. The Python print function is used to output a variable. For example, if you have named, variable as Python is awesome, and if you have to print it in an output, or you have to get an output that thing, so you have to print it. Then what is the function? Print opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and in the between of which you have to write the variable name. Clear? Now, in the print function, you output multiple variables by separated by commas. If you have a multiple variables which you have to print in a one single line, you have to use commas to print it. And here you can also use plus sign to put it, an operator plus, not minus in anything, only plus operator. Clear? But here, okay, I can just again repeat it. But now notice the space character. Spacing here is, as I have told you in my second video, I think when I have told you about the Python syntax, that Python is very, very sensitive in the indentation. So here, if you won't put any gapping like this, अगर आप यहाँ कोई gapping नहीं करेंगे तो आपका result कुछ ऐसा आएगा. Let us see. Run. Somewhat like this, right? So you have to always remember it. So you have to always have a proper indentation. So like here, the for numbers, the plus character works as mathematical operator also. So let us just do plus here only. And here let us change the number to 10. What is 10 plus 5? 15. So here it will give you an answer 15. No, it won't give you answer 510. No, if you have given an integer to the variable and if you have used a plus option or any operator, it will give you the answer of that particular operator. Here it is not only for plus, but if you also use the minus sign, it will give you the answer, the main answer for those. If you will have to do multiply, you can do multiply also. If you have to do divide, you can also do divide. So it is very simple to do calculations or to make a calculator with the Python. Here, we will have one session. I will have this session that we will make a calculator using a Python. Okay, when we will complete some of more things with the Python. Okay, this is simple calculator. Here you can make, many nice type of calculator, like, which will you ask you the values and do it. Okay, so somewhat like this. You can change the number and accordingly you will get the answer. So is it clear at this point that for the number character, it works like a mathematical operation also. So in the print function, when you try to combine a string and the integer with the plus operator, you will find an error, because here, as I have told you, that if it is an integer, it will solve. So here to it can't solve, right? Because one is integer. That's why it will give you an error. Like, let me show you the error also. See, it is giving you a typing error. Like, one is in string and integer, so they can't be together. Okay, everybody. So the best way to output in the print function is used to separate by commas, which you even support different data types. Now, यहाँ पे अगर मैं comma से separate करूँगी, it will print. See, 5 John. Right? Is it clear? So let us move to our next part, that is global variables. What are global variables? So global variables are the variables that are created outside of a function are known as, so any variable created outside a function is known as global variable. For an example, if I have given the x as an awesome, So I've created a variable outside a function, isn't it? So this is global variable. Clear? Now here I have used this function and I have given in the function print this. Print Python is awesome. So it will print when you will do this. अगर मैं ये नहीं लिखूंगी ना, so according to me it won't print. Let us see, it is printing. No, because हमने function को print ही नहीं किया है. If you will print the function, because we have written it under the function, getting it? We have हमने उसको under the function लिखा है. That's why it's necessary to have it. Clear, everybody? So see, is it printing, right? Next, if you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local and can be used only inside the function. Okay? The global variable with the same name will remain as it was global and with the original value. I'm repeating the last point. I'm repeating the global variable with the same name will remain as it is. Means the main variable will be remaining as it is. Okay, so let us see this. So example, create a variable inside a function with the same name as a global variable. Okay, so this is global variable. Okay, with the X only, I have created fantastic inside it. Now let me show you one thing. See, answer is Python is fantastic and Python is awesome. How this has came? Basically, what I told you that if you create a function के अंदर हम कोई भी अगर वेरिएबल डालते हैं, so it would be that variable only. अगर मैं x ग्लोबल वेरिएबल में भी लिख रही हूँ और इनसाइड द फंक्शन वाले वेरिएबल में भी x ही यूज कर रही हूँ, तो x की वैल्यू बाहर function के बाहर if you will print it would be awesome, but if you will print it under the function, that would be fantastic. So see, I have first printed the my function, मतलब function print किया है और function में x की value क्या है? Fantastic. That's why here it has written fantastic. And if you are going for a print, अगर मैं function से बाहर का print कर रही हूँ, खाली print कर रही हूँ x को, so what it is showing me? It is showing me Python is an awesome. I think it's clear to everybody. Now, what is the global keyword? Now, what is global keyword? Normally, when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and that can be only used inside that function. To create a variable inside a function, you can only use global keyword. So here, आपके दोनों का आंसर same आएगा. Okay, why it is showing me an arrow? Indent does not match an outer indentation level. Why it is showing to me like this? So the reason is, so it is saying because, see, first of all, always if you got, the errors, so always read what is the type of error. It is an indentation error in line 11. What is line 11? I think the line 11 is somewhat this. So here what is saying that indentation does not match the outer indentation, means I have already told you that it is very much sensitive in the indentation part. That's why here it should be in the level of X only. So I think now it will give you a perfect answer. Right now, अगर मैं my function भी use कर रही हूँ, तब भी answer Python is fantastic आ रहा है. जब मैं out of the function भी use कर रही हूँ, तब भी मेरा fantastic ही आ रहा है, because I have used the keyword global. So I think everybody understood what is the global keyword here. So with this, we have finished today's, lecture part. And now we are going to do the exercise for it. Now we are going to do exercise for it. So are you all ready for it? Are you all ready for it? So let us start it. So for revising, previous part also, what I have did, I have given you previous exercise questions also. Clear? So yeah, let us. Now it's the testing part. Let us see how you all learned. So what it is saying, create a variable name car name. So हमने create कर दिया. Now assign Volvo as a value. तो वोल्वो को हम वैल्यू के हिसाब से असाइन कर देते हैं. So see what the answer is coming. Okay, we have to again sum it. See, correct answer, right? So in this way we all have to work. Next exercise. Create a variable in X and assign value to 50. I think this is only the right answer. Yeah. So, sorry, actually we have not filled it only. Display the sum 5 plus tan and variable X and Y. तो यहाँ पे X की value नहीं है. And क्या बोला 5 और 10. तो 10 is already there. So let us keep 5 and you have to plus it. So इसका equation is equal. इसका equation is same. Let me tell you. If I'm using this equation and this equation, I think the answer or the output would be same, isn't it? So yeah, it's correct. Create a variable called z and assign x plus y and print it to display the value. So this was very simple, right? So yeah, remove the illegal characters. We have learned this in our previous sessions that in the front, there should be no there should be no, the to form. And there should be no this one also. Anna, that's why, right? Insert, okay, we haven't done it. So insert the correct syntax to assign the variables to all three this, Tell me this. I know you will be, a little bit forgettive. Is it this? Nah. Here we are using equal to sign in each of the following. Anna, if you haven't remembered. Yeah. So this was for today's. Insert the keyword. Make the variable X belongs to the global scope. Tell me. Answer is global. We have studied just now, right, everybody? So yeah, with this, we have completed our today's session. I'm sure you liked it. If you have any doubts, you can comment me right away. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also send your doubts to the Sakshi Kedia @gmail.com. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.